sisters! Hello lovely people, this is Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To be very honest, I am a bit nervous for today's video because in this video, we are going to recreate one of look of James Charles. For all who don't know who James Charles is, really? You don't know who James Charles is? Okay, let me tell you. He is an iconic American beauty guru. He's so much talented. He can sing, he can draw, he can paint, and obviously he's a very good makeup artist. In fact, he's the one जिसके कारण मुझे makeup में थोड़ा interest आ गया. बाकी if you want to know more about him, you can Google it or you can check his Wikipedia. तब थोड़ा ज़्यादा समझ आ जाएगा शायद. Okay, coming to the video. Actually मैंने Instagram पे James Charles के दो colourful look को poll पे डाला था. This and majority of my Instagram family voted this. So I'm gonna do this look for today's video. A few things to note that I don't have many of the product which he had used in this video, and his lighting setup and my lighting setup are totally different, and he has different face and eye structure than mine, so result might be different. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. If I mess this up, please don't hate me. ओके आई एम ऑलरेडी डन विथ माई बेस एंड मैं बेस पार्ट को इसलिए स्किप कर रही हूँ ताकि वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो जाए, क्योंकि बाद में बहुत लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है. एंड जेम्स चार्ल्स के वीडियो में भी वो बेस वाला पार्ट है, बट उसको मैं क्रॉप करके यहाँ पे शो करूँगी उनका ट्यूटोरियल, ताकि आप लोग भी देख सको. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो लेट्स सी हिज ट्यूटोरियल फर्स्ट.
I'm first going to grab my M431. This is just the pencil brush that is available in my brush set, and dip into the bright red shade, which is called Life. And tapping off the excess, I'm going to pop this right in my inner corner to start off that rainbow ombre. Next, with that same brush, I'm just going to wipe off the excess on the edge of my hand and then dip into the bright orange shade, which is called Pride. And I'm gonna put that right next to the red. I'm just really taking my time and packing those colors on there and slowly kind of blending as I go. Blending together matte, bright shades is one of the hardest techniques to do in makeup, and it really does take a little bit of patience, so I want to make sure we get that nice ombre blend. Next, with another pencil brush, I'm just going to grab the shade Sunlight, which is the bright yellow, and pop that next to the orange. Oh wow, that is a bomb yellow!
Okay, we're taking my PAC PE29 brush, which is also a pencil brush. कैसे दिखाऊं इसे मैं? हाँ, pencil brush, and taking this shade, and packing it over my inner corner. I am taking this bright orange shade. Now I am taking this yellow shade with the same brush.
Next, with another pencil brush, I'm going to grab the shade Nature in the bottom of the palette. It is the bright lime green, and put this next to Sunlight.
Okay, in this palette we don't have any lime green color, so we are using this simple green color.
For the blue shade, I'm just going to grab an M124 and dip into the shade Playground from my palette, just because the 25L doesn't have a matte blue in it. And I'm just tapping this in to kind of form that outer V shape, going back into a little bit of Nature to blend those two together. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Truth and Love Wins mixed together to create a neutral purple shade, and use this to kind of sketch out the outer.
Okay, next we are moving to this and this shade. Taking this Fit Me Maybelline concealer and this liner brush to make drips in my eyes. Okay, I'm done with my eyes and this is the final eye look. And I know ये उतना भी ज़्यादा सही नहीं बना है, but I tried my best. And let's move on to our lower lash line. Okay guys, this is the final look. Hope you like this look and this video. And अगर आपको ये इस तरह के वीडियोस और भी चाहिए तो प्लीज़ जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए और मुझे सब्सक्राइब कर दो. And that's all for today and let's meet in my next video.